Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today we are starting off this vlog at TJ Maxx / Home Goods. Now anytime I'm pulling up at this store, my first place that I go to is the kids section. So also while I'm in the kids section, I love to check out the Home Goods books. I just always find some really good books, and Ariana enjoys me reading to her at night, especially when it's time to go to bed. She always goes in her room and grab a book and brings it to me to read. So I always pick up books from here. Of course, there's other places that you can pick up kids books, but I'm always pulling up at Home Goods, so it's just a thing that I do when I'm here. And so I remember this book from Facebook, like maybe before Ari was born, and I just saw it at TJ Maxx, so girl, you know, throw it in the cart. Oh no, you're fine. Go ahead. Get lost when it comes to little hair accessories.
She's like hair scrunchies or clips, you know, and I'm like, okay. And then I get on I'm like,
it's so much to choose from. So first of all, let's talk about it, because normally I skip this section because my TJ Maxx normally does not have like good beauty products, but I was really intrigued by this section right here. And of course the Foreo Mini, you guys know, it's like my favorite skincare device, and the simple fact that they have like pretty much all of the devices, you know, your girl got y'all. I am about to purchase several of these to do a giveaway, so you already know, keep on watching so you can get the details, the tea on how you can win some of these goodies I'm about to splurge on. I don't really know how good these beauty blenders are, but the packaging is everything. And I don't know why I didn't get this for us, because when I went back to TJ Maxx that next day, girl, this whole setup was gone. So I don't know why I was playing with y'all like that. Yeah, it is so out of here. I don't even know what else works. Oh my god. Okay, so right, let me show y'all. So I gotta find the trash bag with all the damn orders in it. Okay, so here's this is so ghetto. I don't have anything else to tote my orders in, but this is so ghetto. I don't have anything else. Like, look at that, y'all. Wow. Oh shit! Wait! Hey! Wait! Can I drop this out, please? Okay. Thank you.
I need
Oh y'all, I am so tired, but that is the last batch of the Black Friday orders. But anyways, girl, it is time to go to Target. So we pulling up at Target. We about to finish the rest of the Christmas shopping, and we are done, baby. So let's go. So I said I was gonna actually get her online, but I don't really know if I like how she looks. Like, I don't really like her outfit. But they have like several different outfits. Oh, did she? Oh, she's super cute. I want the one with the little horse though, but I think it's out of stock. Y'all, that doll is really cute. I'm gonna go back to Target and put it in my cart and buy it. But let's just talk about it. First of all, I didn't even realize my cart was this full to the point where I couldn't really get through aisles without either something falling out my car or me bumping into somebody. It was just really a hot mess at Target, and I was just really over it. So I just decided to get the stuff that I got, which was really too much, but I got it and I'm out the door because I was like, look, let's just order the rest of the stuff online because this ain't it. And plus they was out of stock on a lot of stuff. So yes, girl, on to the next location.
Feeling okay today, bro?
Yes, I'm ready to go home. Hey y'all, so real quick, we are doing a cookie photo shoot or whatever. I saw lash in my eye. We were supposed to do a family portrait, but I forgot our shoes hadn't been delivered, so we had to cancel on that. And so I don't really have a lot of time to talk right now because Travis is directing the shoot, and we all know how that goes. Ooh. Okay, so I'm not going to wrap all of her gifts, but I am going to wrap like this little bit right here. Honestly, I wasn't going to wrap any gifts at all, but because I saw this cute Santa Claus wrapping paper, I was like, yes, that goes with the Santa theme. So I'm going to wrap these little small gifts right here and then just keep the other stuff unwrapped because honestly, I don't want to do this.
Who stuff that is?
You don't know what to do? Sorry, y'all. So I had to mute some of the video because you know how they be tripping about music in the background. So, Come on. What you want to play with first? Or open, I should say. Barbie dolls? Hey, you like your Barbie doll? Are you trying to get on? Okay, look. Wait a minute. Let's move this out the way. Uh-oh. Where you at in Atlanta?
No, I'm down here at Mom House.
Oh.
Yeah, I just brought my Christmas clothes. Me and Kiara gonna take some photos for Christmas.
Oh. Can mommy get in there with you? Yeah, with you. I would love to get some pictures with you. Let's see. What's this? Let's move this out the way. Do that.
Look. Fix your daddy some fried eggs. Take it to your daddy. Travis, go over there and say yum, 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 yum. Go play like you eat, Travis.
Man, I ain't that lame, man.
Come. trap. Shit.
Just say my dad ain't no lame, man. Hello? Hello?
Alright, whoa.
Yep.
Not so fast, buddy.
Miss it. Hello? Who you want to talk to? What? What? I said, what you want? Who you? Here, they want to talk to you. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas with your family and loved ones, and just, you know, embracing each other and just loving on each other, especially during this, I don't know why I got this fork right here, especially during this like crazy uncertain time. So we're not really going to do anything today. We are going to stay at home. Ari is having an amazing time in the background with all of her stuff, so I think we're just gonna stay at home. So let me show you guys what we're eating today, what we working with. So we got crab legs, lobster tail, corn, potatoes, chicken wings, and so then we got this, which is salmon Alfredo. Where's my phone, baby girl? Hey Siri.
Nose. Oh, it's for
ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the roses, pocket full of booze. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. I picked up 3 of the Foreo Luna Minis. Honestly, I low-key want to keep this one for myself. I actually might go to TJ Maxx tomorrow and buy me one. I bought 3 of these. And so this is the face mask activator device, and then it also comes with like 4 masks in the back. And then you guys, if you guys are unaware, the mask is like $20 each on the website. And then I picked up this one. I was looking for another pink, but I couldn't find the other pink one. So I ended up having to get this blue one, which is cute. Still a really good mask activator, and it comes with all of the masks as well. So I'll probably give away 2 of these on YouTube, and then I'll give away this one on Instagram and 2 of these on Instagram, and I might save one to give away for like another giveaway or something like that. So I just really wanted to show you guys my appreciation, especially for those who've been rocking with me for a while. So make sure you stay tuned. What are you doing?